Welcome to Serenity SoundscapesHQ. I'm so glad you're here. If you're joining this meditation, you may be carrying a heart that aches with loss. And yet, you've chosen to honor your grief with kindness today. That takes courage. Thank you for showing up for yourself. This practice blends mindfulness, science, and compassion to help you connect with your loved one and your own healing. We'll use Tara Brach's RAIN method, a gentle tool for emotional resilience, and a letter-writing visualization rooted in research on grief and expressive writing. By the end, you'll have the option to write a physical letter if you feel called to. There's no right or wrong way to feel here. Your grief is welcome, and so is your love. Let's begin. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take 3 deep breaths with me. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop, your hands relax. With each breath, imagine releasing any pressure to do or fix anything. Again, take 3 deep breaths with me. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Continue breathing in and out. I will let you continue for a minute. For now, you're simply here, exactly as you are. Grief is not a problem to solve. It's love persisting. Let your breath anchor you in this moment. With each breath, imagine releasing any pressure to do or fix anything. If your mind wanders, gently return to the rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Let's start by you doing a body scan. Bring gentle attention to your body. Start at your feet. Notice any sensations there. Slowly move up to your legs, hips, stomach, chest, and throat. These areas often hold grief. If you find tension or heaviness, breathe into that space. Silently say, "This is here. I can be with this." No need to change it. Just offer it kindness, like you'd offer a cup of tea to a weary friend. Now, imagine your loved one sitting peacefully before you. Feel their presence. Try to feel their presence. Visualize them and feel their presence. Now, begin writing a letter to them in your mind. Let your heart speak freely. Your heart knows how you feel. If emotions arise, we'll use RAIN method to navigate them together. First, recognize, pause, and ask yourself, what emotion is here right now? Is it sadness, guilt, love, or something else? Name it silently. Take your time. There's no wrong answer. Next, allow. Whisper inwardly, "It's okay to feel this." You're not fixing or judging, just creating space. Breathe into the emotion. Next, investigate. Ask gently, where do I feel this in my body? Is it tightness in my chest? A lump in my throat? Then ask, what does this part of me need? Maybe it's comfort, safety, or permission to cry. Last is nurture. Place a hand on your heart. Placing your hand on your heart allows yourself to connect with a sense of inner peace. Now say, I'm here with you. You're not alone. Imagine wrapping the hurting part of you in warmth, like a soft blanket. Now, return to your letter. You might write, I wish I could tell you what I miss most is. I thank you for. Take your time. If emotions resurface, repeat the rain method. In your mind, write what you miss, what you are thankful you received. I will leave some silent space for you. When your letter feels complete, decide how to send it. You might visualize placing it in their hands, letting it drift away on a breeze. Or tucking it into your heart as a quiet keepsake. Gently return to your breath. Take 3 deep inhales and exhales. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. This in an optional step. If you'd like, write a phrase or memory from your letter in a journal. Research shows this can ease grief's weight by giving it shape outside your mind. Thank yourself for this act of courage. However your grief unfolds today, you are enough, because this meditation is designed to meet you exactly where you are. You don't need to get over your loss or be strong. Here, your grief is allowed to exist as it is. By combining the RAIN method's gentle structure with the healing power of letter writing, this practice helps you release trapped emotions without judgment, reconnect with love beneath the pain, rebuild a sense of safety in your body and mind. Honor your unique journey. Whether you cry, feel numb, or find fleeting moments of peace. Grief isn't linear, and neither is this meditation. It's a tool to return to whenever the weight feels too heavy, reminding you, even in brokenness, you are whole. You don't have to carry this alone. This meditation is a safe space to simply be, to remember, to ache, and to begin healing, one breath at a time. We thank you for spending time with us. If you have not, please like and subscribe, and be well, friend, be well. This is Serenity holding a space for your heart.